This is where our stories live. Kapahaka, movies, and shows for everyone. And one app that just got better. Now, with profiles for all the whānau, you get more of what you're into. Now, pause over here, pick up over there. Update the app, sign in, and we'll handle the rest. All you need to decide,
just like Mum used to make,
is what to watch first.
this is home.
Pono mai, the all-new MāORI Plus.
White flag.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We have our first race on the water. It is a red flag in preparation under starter's orders. Can we get a clean start? First race. Oh, no. I tried to influence karma along the way, and then I got bitten on the butt. Okay, not far away though. We're waiting for that black flag to come down. Once again, for those who may be unfamiliar to the sport, we don't tell them who's over the start line. No one seems to be making an effort to go backwards or forwards. They will be careful. They're pushing the boundaries. Someone is over the line and they're not wondering who it is there. No one will tell them the black flag is still up. The message got through. There we go. We have a green flag out there on the race course. That is race number 426. The Open Men V6 1500 meter repechage number 1. Lane 1, Brazil, Remo, Brasilia. Lane 2, it is 33 Kia, Hawaii. Lane 3, Mita Mitanga, Team Kenner from Aotearoa, New Zealand. Lane 4, KPC Northern Pioneers, Canada. Lane 5, Hawaii, Pai, Va'amen from New Caledonia. Lane 6, rounding off this field closest to us here on the bank. It is Singapore Paddle Club host nation. Up we go to the first turn, looking like lane number 3's got the best of that. Mita Mitanga Teen Kenna, one leg only though, and these are turns as well. So it's no use getting there first and coming out last. So it's all how we negotiate these turns. Here we go, getting around there. Team Kenna in 3. They're getting around there. Who else is coming? Nice turn down here. It is there, Singapore. Well done, but Team Kenna get out there first. Oh, that is just one turn of 5. This repechage, they go trying to get through to a semi-final. Look at the conditions out there as the sun shines off the skyscrapers on the other side of the race course. It makes for a spectacular view as we have racing on the water, the sun rising behind us. Wow, 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 that's all I can say. Once again, we get back on the water though. Looks like Team Kinamita Mitanga in lane number 3 have got themselves a handy lead at the moment. We have 4 more turns to go though, so let's see. Every crew member has a role to play, not just in going forward, but also in these turns. They set up by seat 6, the steerer, the captain, and then bring up speed. They start to angle into the left, and this one there, 2, seat 1 and 2. They reach out, they post up, they pull the front around, and then drag it around. There's different ways to do that. Sometimes a crew will do a uni on the other side and use the speed of the va'a to help the turning force there. They all negotiated their second turn quite nicely. We'll pick them up as they enter or get close to the next turn. We started on time this morning. It's been wonderful. The weather's looking good. In fact, our start time should have been right now. We are early. We are ahead. Let's see if we can keep getting ahead. Thank you to those managers, area coordinators, getting those paddlers down there. Thank you for listening to the calls to get you there quickly and on the water quickly. Here we go. It is Team Kina Mita Mitanga. Still got the lead there. They've spread themselves out. That's what turn racing does. It spreads it out there because it adds a different element. It's not just straight line speed. You can have crews that have got the straight line speed, but not the turning ability. And that's just because they are fastest in the straight line. It doesn't mean they will win the race. Team Kinner taking a conservative, very conservative turn there. Who's in second? Lane 5. Lane 5 are up there, not far from them too. That's New Caledonia. I'm not surprised by that. They are in this competition. They are always there or thereabouts when it comes to finishing. And sometimes they are, just like all the many any of these other crews. Sometimes they get up there, sometimes we don't, but it is not through lack of effort as they come down for their penultimate turn. Look at them on the water if you are on the screen. If you're around the world watching this 2026 IVF World Sprint Championships in Singapore, I hope you're having a great day. Don't let your manager catch you on the computer at your desk. Just tell him it's research. You're doing research. As we come around there, here they come. Team Kina chased there from Aotearoa, New Zealand, being chased by two Hapai Va'a men, New Caledonia. I'll call them through as they come down. Team Kina go in there again. They've got the lead. They don't have to take risks. They get around nice and clean. New Caledonia, nicely done. On the far side, it is lane 1 Brazil. That's a beautiful turn. They might have brought themselves up into third place there as they got up there very nicely. They are in third place. It is Brazil. In lane 2, it's Hawaii. In lane 3, it is Aotearoa, New Zealand. In 4, it's Canada. In 5, it's New Caledonia. In 6, it's Singapore. And so there we go. Final turn coming up. Heading into this final turn. This is it. If you're going to try and do something, it's got to be done now because we're running out of race course. If you're in second place trying to get first, you've got to do something special out there. And there's no error there from Team Kina. Team Kina, they're gone, they are out of there. There's been no rule infractions that I can see, but everything I say is unofficial on the water. As we go up there, they are heading home. Less than 200 metres left in their race. Around come. They've done it also at their New Caledonia. They've got around there. Down in lane number 1, it is Brazil that is in third place, I believe. From out here in lane 5, it is New Caledonia, mainly lane 4. Canada pushing up there. They'll have a battle out there with Brazil. Hawaii are still coming around there. Singapore is still there. They are doing marvellous. We will focus back on the front though. If you're in there watching there, just look at them. They're looking like they are cruising. They are, I believe, just saving their energy. It's no use pushing it too hard and exhausting yourself. They have got another progression to happen. They will guarantee another race. Put your hands together. Team Kina, put your hands together. It is it is Brazil paddle out there. Beautiful indeed. Coming through in lane number 4, Canada. They got that third place from Brazil. They must have had a great turn out there. Down here in lane number 6, Singapore, host nation. We appreciate it too. This is a beautiful venue and we're enjoying it each and every day. And we're on day number 8 of the IVF World Sprint Championships, Singapore.
How many left? Zero.
White flag. White flag. White flag out there on the water under starters orders once again. Racing will come thick and fast, I guarantee that. Okay, probably a little bit early here in lane number 6. They haven't even raised the red flag and they're over. There's still a crew coming out of loading bay, so they're there early. White flag usually means line up with the big flags, the big flags. There we have the red flag, which is where they should move up to the start line, which is where they are now. A hint of sarcasm. It's okay. No, that's all right. Black flag. It is a tailwind. It's building that breeze. It's building, so it's pushing these va'a over the line. They have to know to hold, to hold, to hold, to hold. Marina. Okay, we'll get there soon. Green flag out there on the water. Let me tell you who's on the water at this stage, which will take us halfway down, and then I'll pick them up on the first turn. Lane 1, 22 MΑORI from Hawaii. Lane 2, Rock Solid Open Men Australia. Lane 3, FGPC Faraway George. I got to meet this George. From Canada. Lane 4, Monto Shalva, New Caledonia. Lane 5, Brazil, Pedal Brazil. Lane 6, it is there, Noah Outrigger E Pedal Club, Brazil. We'll watch them get down there towards that halfway on the 500 meter line. Look at them, they've made out in lanes 3 and 4 at the moment. Looking good in 3, it's Canada, and 4, New Caledonia. They go into the turn together. Let's see who can come around as quickly. It's down there in 4, I think, got out there first, and they will just get a whisker, a nose, or maybe not. It could have been even Stevens as they exited that turn there on the 15 meter turn, boys. So we'll wait and see. All of them, though, have negotiated their first turn safely. It is a little bit of a lead to lane number 3, I would say, which is what I thought. Canada and it's New Caledonia. We will get a great opportunity to see these two crews turn and compete against each other, because this complexion can change altogether. At the moment, it's Canada in the lead, I believe, but it can change in a blink of an eye in these turns. They are still close together, probably a little bit of a nose in between, the difference between them. Here they come. Let's watch and see who gets in there first. It is Canada. It is now New Caledonia. Who comes out first? Canada getting around nicely. They pulled it around in New Caledonia, but it's a gain to Canada. Look at that. As the rest of them come home, probably down here in lane number 5. It is Brazil, and Brazil in 5. On the far side, we have Hawaii in 1, Australia in 2. Here we go down to our third turn. And that's what can happen. The turns can separate out these va'a pretty quickly. In go Canada at the moment. Far away, George, and they seem a little bit further away than they are down here in front of me. Around they come, New Caledonia, Monto Va'a into it at the moment. Outside them, it's Brazil. Brazil paddle. Around they come. I think Canada might have made a bit more of a gain there. It is Brazil out here in lane 5 that will be in third place. They are even Stevens on the far side. Hawaii, Australia getting around there together. Probably battling also with No Outrigger E Paddle Club Brazil right here closest to us on the spectator bank. Going down to their penultimate turn. It is the little flags that they're turning around there. We have seen sometimes people forgetting or paddlers forgetting and trying to turn around the big flag. It's not breaking the rules, but it just adds 30 metres to your race course because you got to go past 15 metres and come back again another 15. I think my math says that adds up to 30. Here they come. Canada come around now. This is their second to last turn. In come out. Oh, no. I think I might have put the hex on New Caledonia. I was talking about people aiming for the big flag and they're heading towards it for a while. It was a late turn, a very late turn. If they were aiming for those little flags, around they come. It changes the complexion very quickly. We love drama on TV, but not on the water. Now there is a major lead for Canada. They have a huge lead at the moment. One of the things, I know I've said this before, but I'll just mention again, when you're in the front, you don't have to take too many risks, if any at all. And so you can be conservative in your turn, just being safe because you have such a long lead. When you're second or when you're in really tough competitions, you're trying to look for every advantage that you might be able to do. And it's living on the edge. The only problem with living on the edge, sometimes you fall off. And that can happen quite quickly, quite easily. Around they come though. It's Canada on their way home. New Caledonia, they've still got second place. So they haven't been punished too harshly by that little bit of an overshoot. Brazil, though, they'll be closest to them. They're on their left-hand side. Who's out there? Lane 1, Hawaii. Lane 2, Australia. Lane 3, Canada. Lane 4, New Caledonia. Lane 5, Brazil. Lane 6, Brazil. That's how they come down the race course. But I'll focus on the front now because I've led from the beginning. It is Canada looking strong as they come home. 50-odd metres to go. They push along in lane number 4. Here they come down to these 15-metre marker, boys. Those other turns lane, they must stay in, and they go through. Put your hands together, Canada! And they've chased well, and it's going to be a race within a race, but I think they've still kept on to it. It is out there, New Caledonia fighting there with Brazil, but it will be New Caledonia. Almost paid a big price for that little bit of overshoot. On the far side, it is Australia. Rock solid open men. They come across there. On the far side, Hawaii, 22 Emiola, and Brazil. Noah Outrigger, E-Paddle, Brazil. More calls coming up. Red flag on the water. I'll let you know who's there once it goes to green. Let's see if we can get a start that's no black flag. Nah, I it's too early in the morning.
Horrible coffee in that pan down it. Sponge cake undone.
We have a start now. It is the beginning of race number 428. The Open Men V6 1500 meters recharge number 3. Lane 2, lane 1, should I start? Rima Brasilia 2 from Brazil. In lane 2, stay in it. I've got it. Rockingham Outrigger Canoe Club Australia. Stay in it. In lane number 3, it is New Caledonia ASPTT Va'a. In lane 4, it's Canada VLCC. It is the, what was I going to say there? It is VLCC Tasty. I think it is there. A little bit of a printing error. In lane number 5, it is Wallace and Futuna Fungovea Club. In lane 6, Singapore. And they come under VA Team France Singapore Club. Copy. Round they go. Who is that over there on the far side of the race course? Lane number 1, lane 3 it is. Lane 3, 2, 4. I think that's New Caledonia. Again, that doesn't surprise me as they get out there. Hey, I would say the same thing, all of them, because every country is competitive out there.